I'm getting DMs from people every day like, is this how you would chart it up? Or look at the trade I took. And these people, they're making money. They're growing their accounts. It's just the same result across the board. No matter what you're trading, the strategy works.
The guest today, he has his sessions have the most views so far. We'll see. We've had some pretty interesting guests also, but until now nobody has beat Devin. You'll see why in a couple of minutes. I'm going to invite him and you can all see how is that. He has something really interesting to share. Since he started speaking at the Auditorium, he's been picking up his brand slowly but successfully. A lot of people are reaching out to him, showing him their trading, and yeah, he's been helping them, and I believe he can help you again. So let's invite him and start the Auditorium. Here he is.
Hey, good afternoon.
Good afternoon, Devin. You're looking relaxed.
Yeah, it's nice. It's nice outside. I was ready for this, so I was looking forward to the Auditorium today. So
yeah, your camera went off a little bit. Oh, it's okay now. How you been? We haven't spoken in, I think, 3 weeks, something like that.
yeah, I've been good. Been busy. Been busy because of TradeLocker, but I mean, it's not a bad thing. Last month, I wasn't really trading too much. I had a lot of people hitting me up about the way I trade and to help them out. So, like this past month, yeah, I've been helping people and it's showing. So, I'm getting DMs from people every day like, hey, is this how you would chart it up? Or look at the trade I took. And these people, they're getting it down and they're making money. They're growing their accounts. So, it's working.
Wow. And how many people have been reaching out to you since you started with this?
So I have people hit me up on Instagram. Some of those people went into where they are now, where I can directly help them. Like I said, or I don't know if you mentioned it, but I started a Discord mentorship about 2 weeks ago. I have some people in there and I do one-on-one sessions. They can schedule one-on-one sessions with me. I do group sessions on the weekend as long as, everyone can get on board with it. I have examples of gold with my strategy, indice examples with Nas, Forex examples, and it's just the same result across the board. No matter what you're trading, the strategy works. And people are trading US 30, hitting trades, gold, hidden trades, Bitcoin, hidden trades, same thing. Like they're just hidden trades. So yeah, it's working. So, I've been busy with that. I love my TradeLocker family, the metals group, everybody in there. I love y'all, but yeah, I've been popping in and out. I've been pulled between two areas. So, I'm helping people. I'm trying to help people become self-sufficient traders, So.
Okay. Well, I'm happy to hear that. And I believe there's been quite a lot of time when we started this session. It was me and you or coach or IMTP on Wednesday or somebody else started marking up the charts and everything and get lost in the conversation with me, and we come back and we see that they maybe missed an entry or something because it was always right. I think that coach was ahead that like a couple of times.
Yeah, it went his way though. So
okay, I just want to say you can now share the screen and show us what you've been up to, what these guys you mentioned and girls and women and men have been up to. I'm going to tell everybody to click on your stream so they can see it full screen, and also if you have any questions, just drop them in the comment section and Devin will get back to them later on. Take it away.
Yeah,
man.
so I appreciate you. So I'm just gonna show gold right now real quick, like quickly what I do, and then so for the new people that are probably here, I'll show what I do real quick, and then I'll show you some results of people who are actually learning it. So it really works. So let's see. So basically, gold, I didn't trade news this morning, and I'm sure most people seen why, because gold looked bullish and then it just straight dropped. But most people who've been following me, they know that I like to use these boxes. I like to mark up the 4 hour. I like to hit consolidation zones and wait for those breakouts, wait for the fake outs. And I haven't changed anything since. I haven't changed not one thing. And I always mark up all my ranges, as everybody knows. So for anyone who's new, what I do is I like to mark up the previous day's high to the previous day's low. I don't include the candle wicks. For instance, say you were targeting this wick here. Look what this wick did yesterday. It came down and just flipped back up. You don't want to get caught up in that. So I don't target the wicks. I anchor all my tools, all my rectangle tools on the candle bodies. So this is what we're looking at, and this is from yesterday. This was yesterday's price action on the 1 hour. I don't see any consolidation here, and I look for consolidation zones, so I'm just gonna drop down. I don't think the 30-minute had a consolidation zone after this drop last night, so we're just gonna keep trucking. I only use the 4 hour, the 1 hour, the 30, the 15, and the 5. So here on the 15, this is what it was looking like before the news dropped. And even with these consolidation zones, I mark up the consolidation high, consolidation low. We got a 15-minute fake out right before news, and then this was the news candle. So if you want to get caught up in that, I doubt you want to get caught up in that. If you want to, then you got to learn these fake outs. And that's what I've been teaching people. And what I do, it takes patience and discipline so you can avoid a huge news loss just in that simple way. And that's what I've been teaching people between the breakouts, fake outs, identifying these consolidation zones. People have a hard time identifying them, and I've been helping them do that. And aside from the chart, just so like I don't say that no one doesn't believe me, but let me see here, and I'm gonna change my window real quick. I'm gonna use I've been using Carl as so you guys can see this. I've been using Carl as a notepad. All right, so because he got me one time. So this is one guy here. I don't know if you guys can really see that, but he hit GJ on a sell, and he just see the box with the entry. That's exactly how I would do it. And look what he said. He goes, I don't think I ever won this many times on my own. The streak is feeling good. I don't think he's lost in over a week, and he's been doing what I've been doing. He's just been smacking trades. So he's doing really good. This is another one of his that he charted up exactly how I would do it. So what I do, it works. It's working for other people. This is someone else. Antonio, this is who I was talking about. He messaged me yesterday actually about this, and he's doing exactly what I do. His entry would have been right here, which is price created a higher high and then drops, got the pullback, and set your buy stop, and boom, straight profit. So it's working for people. And then last night, gold. Actually, this was the drop before gold. Someone was messaging me about the way he marked up his consolidation zones. This is what I sent him because there was only consolidation on the 5-minute at the beginning of Asian session. This is the result. Boom. He caught that trade. And then this was last night. My entry right here, and this was the result. Or even though I closed out early, this was the result. Boom. 200 move. I put a lot of time into helping people, and I really want to see people like succeed in trading because there's a lot of misconceptions that Forex is a scam, and there's a lot of scams out there, but you can make a living from it. You just have to really put time and effort into it. And the people who put time and effort, it's showing. Like multiple people, they're starting to do what I do. And like he said, he hasn't lost. Like he's on a winning streak right now. And he's just following the script. So I haven't changed anything. I'm not changing anything. So my whole month of March, yeah, I built it myself. I got everybody myself. So I've been working on helping people. But yeah, no, stuff like this, these consolidation zones, these fake outs, breakouts, you can avoid. Like people like to buy off of these breakouts right here. As soon as it touches here, or they're gonna set a buy stop here, and they think it's gonna break out and close. Guess what? Boom, and that was news. But it happens all the time. Like, yeah, it just depends on how much people like put the effort into learning. That's really what it comes down to. And let's see, there was one other thing.
I think
You
one of your mentees came into the comment section. If you can check it out.
Oh yeah, Erod. Oh yeah, he's in there. Yeah, he's in there. Skyark, he's also in there. And there's also a couple people I see in here in the audience list because I put the link that you sent me into my Discord, and yeah, so they came up to show some love. But Izzyman, he's in there too. He just got in yesterday. Once he gets integrated and gets into the swing of things, you'll be good, bro. I got you. Yeah, everybody's active. I'm very active. You go into these mentorships, and these people who are there, like influencers, for instance, they don't show up. They're never there. Me, I'm active in there, and I'm always there answering messages. Like, yeah, I'm posting whatever. Even in here in TradeLocker, I'll still be switching between the two. I love talking with Shark Trader. Shark Trader's awesome. Shockwave, Blesser, they're all awesome. Cupcake Trader. The metals group, yeah, I love the metals group. Indices, Coach. Hey, Coach reached out to me the other day. Coach, I always got some good advice for you, and me and him been rocking for a while, so Yeah, nah, everybody. I'm just trying to get everybody self-sufficient. I don't do signals. You know, a lot of people like signals. The TradeLocker platform, you know, like everything with it has been awesome. But yeah, I don't do signals. I want people to be self-sufficient. My main account, I went to DX Trade. DX Trade kind of has something that TradeLocker has going on. But DX Trade, it ain't it. TradeLocker is where it's like it's modernized. I like TradeLocker, like you know, like Shockwave, and a lot of us tell people it's growing pains. TradeLocker is developing. They have a lot going on. Now let's see, gold's making after that drop, higher highs, higher lows. Usually once we come back, I'll be targeting this high. If it comes back above this high, then we'll see a further push up. But yeah, no, TradeLocker is doing this thing. Like I tested out DX Trade. I have to move my money out of there, and I'm in the process of doing that. I deposited about 900 into Osprey last night, which is what this account is. So until I get my other money, yeah, I'm gonna be trading this. So no, TradeLocker is where they're doing a lot of good work. Once everything is well put together, yeah, this is gonna be the future of trading right here. So everything's here. You can have multiple accounts. Like these are my other accounts where I'm gonna be dividing my money up into. Might just use 2 or 3 of them, but this account right here, where I just deposited into last night. But yeah, no, TradeLocker smooth. I love being able to, let's see here. I love being able to do my pending orders because this is how I operate. Like, say I set a sell stop here, I can just drag it, and it's convenient. And if this low gets targeted, then I don't know. I might be waiting for this wick because I don't like these long wicks. They like to hold up. But yeah, no, like TradeLocker has been seriously a game changer. Everything about them is smooth, and I love being able to drag drop. You can do the same thing with your stop losses, drag drop them. And the new features, you could take out this panel here with the hotkeys like they put in the announcements or in what is new. You can start collapsing these panels. You can go full screen, like which drops everything down here. But no, TradeLocker definitely is the future. I'm moving all my money over into TradeLocker, so I'm in the process of doing that. And if anyone knows, moving a big amount of money is not fun because all the fees that you have to worry about, and then go from one platform to another, get it to your bank, get it back to another platform. So yeah, all my money, I'm gonna be coming into TradeLocker. So I'm done with the migrations. I've been migrated from TradeLocker to MT5 with a broker, then from MT5 to DX Trade. And so yeah, no, effects is who I use. I've been using Osprey since 2018, 2019, and they've been consistent over the years. Once they migrated my accounts over. I took my money out because I wasn't gonna stick with Osprey because I was feeling the other broker, and then I moved back to Osprey. So now I'm sticking with TradeLocker. So yeah.
Thank you for all the praise, man. I'm actually the guys that you said. Somebody said in the comment section, the guys behind need to fix their posture. These are the developers. They've been sitting and working their asses off to make this platform the best platform out there. And we're gonna keep doing that. We love to see and we love to hear the positive comments, but I would say that even more we love to hear and see is your concerns, constructive feedback, and everything. So, for example, we released today sidebar toggles on the left side of the interface. If you click on them, you can hide or show the floating order panel and stuff like that. So that's something that we heard that people wanted, and we decided to work on that as fast as possible. I think that we are well into the session now, 20 minutes into the session. If somebody has any questions for Devin, drop them now. I don't want get Devin to tell everything about his strategy. Once again, go to our TradeLocker official YouTube channel and you'll see his previous sessions where he explained his strategy into the, I would say, deep structure and everything else. So that was something that was really, really insightful. I dropped your Instagram handle a couple of times. The Instagram handle is the same as his nickname in Discord. Find him on Instagram, get a mentorship, start earning money. I don't know anything else to say. Devin, do you have anything else?
No, unless people have questions. Last week was the end of Q1, so last week was a bad week to trade. I took one trade last week and it went 40 pips on gold. And that's the only trade I took. And then this week was NFP. And this was a weird NFP week. past 2 weeks. Yeah, it's just these past 2 weeks been weird trading, so I hope everyone's been trading safe. But if y'all got any questions, you can find me in the Discord Metals channel, or he dropped my Instagram, so y'all can find me there.
If you can maybe answer one question, I see that one is that how much is the membership?
So the membership, I do $100 for the year, and people who've been in there, they've already made their money back. And then we've only been live for 2 weeks, so I mean it's $100 for the year. I'm not trying to get rich off of it, I'm not charging by the month. I'm just trying to help people. That's the main thing. So
$100 to get your insights. That's
yep, and that's that $100. You can schedule as many one-on-one sessions as you want. I'm constantly active in there. We do group sessions. I have it like the examples all in there, like how I would do the strategy step by step on indices, gold, Forex pairs. Yeah, so I mean,
these informations alone are the ones that are going to get you. I see multiple people writing in the comments. Reach out to Devin. Find him on Instagram, find him here in Discord, and you'll get everything. Shockwave says this is the cheapest investment ever. I would say so. I might even do that by myself, maybe.
Yeah, I might be a little scared now. I don't know. I think I can.
Yeah, I was a good student always, but I'm going to drill you with questions.
If you guys at TradeLocker could work as hard as you guys work to keep us trading, then I could work hard too, and everyone else can work hard as well. So
great. Yes, you're correct, Devin. I think that this is it for now. This has been our second session of the week. We've had IMTP on Wednesday. His first session was actually one of the most visited ones, and we're going to release the recording really soon. We had to make some smaller changes, but it was quite a long session, so it's going to be out soon. We released yesterday one of the sessions from Lambo Alex, and next week we have a new guest. His name is Chris. He's from the UK. Some of you probably know him from his Instagram, but I'm going to share that a little bit later. He's going to go on Tuesday, and we have our very own shark trader, Sharky Shark, on Thursday. So 2 sessions next week. After that, we have some also new guests coming in. Thank you guys for coming in, listening to Devin. Thank you, Devin, once again for your time. I don't think we took too many time of your day. The market is going to be open really really soon, and that's it, guys. Have a good weekend.
I appreciate it. Everybody have a good weekend. Trade safe today. Yeah, IMTP, you a savage, bro.
Yeah.